transforming your heavy-duty construction projects, professional workshop tasks, and DIY home renovations into effortless, high-precision endeavors without wrestling with tangled cords or underpowered drills usually means transitioning to an elite, brushless cordless combo kit. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver and Hammer Drill Cordless Power Tool Combo Kit, model DCK250QQ2 with 2x4 POWERPACK batteries and charger, redefines cordless muscle by combining next-generation brushless motor engineering, compact tool ergonomics, and high-density energy storage into a professional-grade power duo. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its advanced high-efficiency brushless motor architecture paired with compact 4 POWERPACK battery cells. Instead of struggling with bulky legacy drills that stall under heavy torque or older battery technologies that fade quickly under load, this system delivers maximum operational runtime and blistering impact speeds while maintaining a remarkably lightweight, balanced profile in your hand. Performance and everyday versatility streamline heavy fastening, large diameter wood boring, and tough masonry drilling across framing, deck building, and mechanical repairs. Featuring a multi-speed hammer drill for concrete and brick alongside a precision-controlled impact driver that unleashes massive driving torque, the kit handles the most demanding fasteners with absolute ease. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by bright built-in LED work lights to illuminate dark wall cavities, ergonomic comfort grip handles that reduce fatigue during all-day use, and a rapid charger that keeps your workflow moving without interruption. Things to consider before you buy, because these are professional-grade 20V Max XR heavy-duty tools engineered for high-torque applications. You will want to ensure you are using proper bit accessories, rated for impact driving and hammer drilling to prevent stripping or snapping under extreme load. Additionally, while the included dual 4 POWERPACK batteries offer an exceptional balance of runtime and lightweight portability, heavy users tackling continuous all-day job site drilling may want to keep a larger backup battery on hand. So who is this really for? This premium cordless combo kit is an absolute home run for contractors, serious woodworkers, mechanics, and dedicated DIYers who demand top-tier drilling and fastening muscle that will not quit halfway through a project. If you only need to hang a lightweight picture frame once a year or tighten a loose cabinet hinge, a basic single-speed household screwdriver or compact 12V drill will better suit your light intermittent needs. Is it worth the money? If you value elite brushless power, 2 essential high-performance tools, advanced 4 POWERPACK battery technology, and DEWALT's legendary job site durability, it is a premier, long-term investment for your toolbox.